Good evening, everyone. It's an absolute pleasure to read the citation for the business leader of the decade. An extraordinary business leader, he has turned JSW into a global conglomerate during the past decade and more than doubled its revenue to 24 billion. An agile and astute entrepreneur, he has aligned JSW Group with India's infrastructure expansion and modernization campaign and made it a major player in steel, renewable energy, and cement businesses. Under his leadership, JSW has nearly tripled its steel-making capacity to 39 million tons a year and has become the second largest private player in the port sector. He has also led JSW's foray into electric vehicles and military drones by partnering with Chinese and American companies. Beyond its industrial might, JSW has diversified into paints, sports, and a range of philanthropic initiatives through the foundation, making significant impact across multiple sectors. All India Management Association is pleased to confer the IMA Managing India Business Leader of the Decade Award on Mr. Sajan Jindal, Chairman JSW Group.
Thank you, Iva, for this IMA, for this real prestigious award. As Sanjeev mentioned, I'm the second person to receive it, so it's that much more prestigious. Dharmendra Pradhan ji and Jatin Prasada ji, receiving this award from you both, it means even more special for me. And this recognition actually is meant to my whole team, the incredible team that I have in my whole organization. That is what, I've been thinking that 10 years is a long time in anybody's life, but when you look past, then it seems like yesterday that 10 years we started a journey 10 years ago for something. It's just like yesterday. So thank you once again for this recognition. This morning I was attending this program where Honorable Prime Minister was there for setting up this university called SOUL, School of Ultimate Leadership. And Prime Minister mentioned a few words. I thought it was pretty apt for this evening and especially for this award that I am receiving. He said that if you want to grow, if you want to do well in your organization or in any field, your leadership matters, and that takes your company to a distance. If you want to multiply your organization, if you want to grow your organization, you have to multiply your leadership. Not only yours, you have to create more leaders. And if you want to build this nation or any country, then you have to really multiply leaders, and then only the country will progress and will grow. And that's why SOUL is being created. So this leadership is the essence of any organization, and I'm very fortunate that in the last 10 years in my organization, in JSW Group, I've been very lucky that I have built a lot of leaders who are taking the organization forward. So thank you, Aima, once again. Thanks a lot.